Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị Ikem, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Igbo word for today, nya okwu Igbo nke taa bụ dee. Ọ dị ezigbote mfe. It is a very easy word to sound and you must pay attention to tone, how you sound it. Dee. Listen to my voice carefully. There, not there or there. Though they might be the same spelling, but mark how you pronounce it. That determines what you are pronouncing or referring to. So, the word there n'asụsụ Bekee. Okwu bụ there n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara to write or write in English. There, right. There, right. So, ka anyị were dee wee mee ahịrị okwu. Ọ na-ede ihe. Ọ na-ede ihe. Or, which means he or she is writing. He or she is writing. Let me give you another example. Dee aha gị ebe a. Dee aha gị ebe a, which means write your name here. Dee aha gị ebe a. Now it's your turn to make an example. Ensure to put your own example in the comment section. I know you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. See you tomorrow for our next class. Ka emesịa.